Kaya sobrang excited ang anak ko sa park. Ayan, iniwan na lang yung scooter sa akin. Excited! Ito yung park namin, guys. Malapit sa bahay namin. Ayan. Ayan ang stuwa niya. Ayan. Yung bahay namin, guys, dyan sa likod ng building na yan. Dyan mga mga 4 minutes walk. Ayan. Hi guys! Sasabihin mo, we're here at the park, guys. Parque Caramuel.
Over to the stand.
Mataas man yan, baby. Kaya mo?
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know.
Grabe yung tulog ni Carissa, guys.
Huh? Why is stuck over here? This one.
Because I will use that if it's cold. But it's not cold yet.
It's not cold yet.
Yeah. Nag-enjoy siya sa park at the same time napagod. Kaya ang haba ng tulog niya sa nap time niya. Pero need naming lumabas kasi magtapon ng basura at may bibilihin kami sa grocery store. Yan. Sa paglabas namin, guys, meron na kaming basurahan. Ayun yung gate namin sa loob. Ayun. And then paglabas, may basurahan na. Halika, bebe. Tagal mo na gising, baby. Sarap ng tulog mo. So, check namin yung malapit na diya kung bukas. Kasi Sunday ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bukas yung maliit na diya dito sa amin. Kasi kung hindi, pupunta kami doon sa malaking diya sa Paseo Extremadura. Bilisan mo. Ah! Dali na! Takbo! Takbo kami. Go, Goya. It's closed. Hola. Sit down there.
Over here, I can see the parts away. I can see the parts away, mommy.
Wow, very good, baby. Ikaw na yung naglagay ng face mask mo.
And you too.
Pupunta pa lang sana kami sa grocery store malapit sa amin. Kaso, nakita namin yung bus parating na kaya tumakbo na kami. Tapos natanaw na rin namin na sarado.
I'm here with my ears, not my eyes. Only my ears.
Ayan, so pupunta tayo sa diya malapit sa dati namin tinirhan.
We're going home now.
No, siya mo na punahin mo na. Oh. Woo! Nakababa na kami sa bus. 3 minutes lang, guys. Andito na kami sa aming destination. Ano lang kasi ito 3 stations. And then, bukas yung diya.
Let's leave basket in the dia.
Yeah. baby, kung may ice cream. Saka hanapin na rin namin yung favorite ice cream niya kung meron. Mm.
One. And I'm gonna push it in the way.
Oh, go.
Push it in the way and just walk around.
Go. Go. Akinak dito. Look. Mm.
No, there's a people in the head. He's so empty.
Come on.
Here. Come on.
Nak, huwag ka masyadong lumapit. Huwag ka masyadong lumapit. Ang daming tao, guys.
So many people in the cat. The water. There's so many water.
Go.
I want some sausage.
Sausage?
Yeah, yummy.
Sige, get one.
What you get or blue?
Here, anak.
Blue or red?
Nahanap tayo ng masarap. Ito, anak, masarap na. Ay, ayaw mo ng may cheese? Ito, nak.
No. I want.
Ito lang. Nak, isa lang. Isa. Yan, this one. Isa lang. Sige na.
It's so cold.
Oh.
We got one. Yummy.
Faster.
Yummy hot dog. Come on, let's go. Wow, we did chocolate. There's the snacks over here. There's the snacks.
What snacks?
Over here.
Over there.
Yeah.
There, go. Pasta.
We need some snacks. This. I forgot it. Mommy. In the dia.
Di ba may biscuits ka pa? Di ba may biscuits ka pa?
But I don't have more this one.
Hala, may biscuits ka pa, anak.
Ice cream.
Sana yung pasta. Ano yun, nak? Yelo, gumugulong. Meron?
Yeah.
Meron?
It's a cone.
Akala ko ba gusto mo yung circle? Round and round. Oh.
Smell good. So smell so good.
Sabi ko, pasta lang eh. Di ba gusto mo yung circle? Ba't ka kumuha niyan?
Because it's yummy. I'm gonna eat in the morning the cookies.
Magpuri ka ngayon, ha?
We need pasta.
The pasta is there. Aki. Ngayon, oh.
I'm gonna
Kuha ka nito isa.
this.
This
No,
one.
This one.
This one, anak.
Okay. And I'm gonna eat it only white one. And the pasta.
And the white pasta.
Mommy, eat this in the mama house.
Where?
I eat this in the
This.
mama house.
And this one?
Yes.
We have that at home, anak. Yan na lang kainin mo at home. Bale?
We need that.
Ha?
Pasta.
Ito, nak. Oh. Wait. Oh, that's it. Oh, yan lang ang sadya natin, nak. Let's pay na.
Okay.
Yeah, go. Kasi hindi pwede magbuhat si mami ng mabigat.
In the morning.
Bilisan mo kasi malusaw yung ice cream. Ay, egg! We don't have egg!
Careful, it's gonna basag.
Ano yon?
Be careful, it's gonna basag. Not me, only mommy. Let's go. It's really big. It's getting full.
Come on. Bayad na tayo.
Whoa. It's Lana.
Ay, nak, meron ako nakalimutan. Pampabango ng CR. Dali. Diyan ka lang. Saan yun? Hanapin mo yung pang-spray ni Mami. Aki. Ayan. Spray. Yan, lavender. After mo magpupo, mag-spray ng ganyan, ha? Para hindi mangangamoy yung ating CR. Let's go na. That's it. Fruits, anak. Do you want fruits?
I want pears.
Hmm? Hmm?
I got necklace.
Una bolsa, porfa.
I need this one.
Mm-mm.
And this pasta. No.
Una bolsa, porfa. Nakabalik na kami ni Carissa, guys. Sakto. Dumilim na rin yung labas. Baby! Check muna natin yung ano natin, mailbox.
Where's the mailbox? Another one. Mailbox, another one. There's just one behind it. One behind.
Baby, dance!
Then
Dance!
over here.
Mga anunsyo naman, guys. Yan. Ayan, Carissa! Nagdo-doorbell yung anak ko. Wala namang tao sa loob. Carissa! Don't do that! Nak, ba't ka nagdo-doorbell? Oh, open the door, please. Stop!
No, I'm not strong.
We're not strong enough? Mommy will do it. Na? We're home, guys.
Guys.
Yan. So, mag-bye-bye na rin kami, guys. Bye-bye, guys. See you on our next vlog. Good night.
No, over here.
Where?
Over here, this saga.
Why?
Because we're gonna bye-bye over here.
Sa sala daw kasi we gonna bye-bye daw sa sala.
Bye-bye. See you soon next time in the morning.